Hello everybody, welcome back to my Learn Scratch channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use costumes in Scratch. So let's go ahead and get started. First, let's go ahead and click the create button as usual for whenever you create your own projects. And then you're going to come to this page, but you can X out the cat if you want. Now let's pick a backdrop. I will pick the Greek theater. This is a Greek theater. So now we're going to pick a sprite. Let's get a random sprite. How can the diver dive in a Greek theater? How can drama do anything? Like, okay, let's just pick a random sprite. I don't know. How about this dog? This dog is special because it has lots of costumes. It has 3 costumes. So this is one. This, it walks. So these 2 costumes make it walk. This, it says like, what is that? What is that? So we're gonna be making an animation on this too. So here is the dog. We can choose a backdrop. Maybe I can choose a blue sky instead of the Greek theater because it's gonna be walking and it's gonna be making costumes. So let's go and get started. First, let's drag out a one green while clicked, and it can switch from 2 costumes, one to another, in a forever loop, and it's gonna keep moving. So anyways, now we are going to be doing something. So some code in this forever loop. Remember, after a forever loop, you can't make any code. So we have to make the code inside the forever loop. How are you gonna do that? Well, we are going to how to switch the costumes in Scratch. Well, when you go to the looks category, there are this switch costume to dog to C. So dog to C is actually, you don't have to do that. Well, because we are going to be switching from A to B instead of C because C looks surprised like this. So if you want, you can delete that costume. You don't have to delete that costume, but I'm just gonna delete it just to show you. So here are the 2 costumes that we are gonna use to make the dog walk. So we are going to use costume A and costume B. So how are you going to keep switching the costume? Well, we can use a wait 1 second because it might be too fast. So let's go and probably we can do 0.1 seconds and put it inside between these 2 costumes. And then we can put it inside the frame. Oh, I think that's kind of fast. How about we do 0.2 seconds? Kind of fast too. Okay, how about we try with 0.3 seconds? Just fast work. If it doesn't work, then I'm gonna do 0.5 seconds. Uh-oh. Yeah, it might do a little bit of bugs, but it's okay if it does anything like that. Okay, so I think you'll have to wait 1 second because it has to be 1 second. Whoa. Okay, I think we have to wait 1 second here and here. 0.1 seconds, 0.1 seconds, and 0.1 seconds, and 0.1 seconds. Okay, I think this might work. This has to work because the dog is supposed to go and move its legs slower. Okay, that is good. That is good. That is good. Okay, so anyways, we are going to be continuing this in the next video. So please remember to check the next part out. This is just part 1. I'm just gonna show you just for fun. This is just the costumes. And next we are going to be doing the movement. So please remember to check part 2 today at a different time when you make the videos. I'll check out how many minutes that video is. So please remember to check it out on that time, at same time. So I probably might be done at 4:30 or something. So So I hope you enjoyed part 1. See you on part 2.